This is our exponential function graph. You'll find that this curve, when x getting larger and larger, that means we multiply more and more a. The number becomes smaller. So a here, it should be smaller than 1. But however, it's still positive value. And you find that this curve, we multiply more and more b will make it getting bigger and bigger. So obviously b is a factor larger than 1. And on top of this, they give us one information is y equal to a power of x is a reflection image of y equal to b power of x. That means if we consider the same horizontal line, this one reflect along y-axis will go to this point. So if we just simply let this situation is when x equal to 1, then this one will be opposite, then x equal to -1. On this curve, a power of x, when x is -1, then the corresponding height, it should be a power of -1. So this height is a power of -1. From other point of view, when x is equal to 1, this point is 1 and then b power of 1. So this is b power of 1. These two representing the same height, so we can draw the conclusion. A power of -1 should equal to b power of 1. 1 over a equal to b. That's why ab is equal to 1. Now we are going to look at the statement here. Is a smaller than 1? Is because it's going downward. So a is smaller than 1. Is b larger than 1? Because b is going upward when we multiply more and more b. So b is larger than 1. A, b equal to 1, we just prove it because they are refracted to each other. So this is also correct. The answer is D. Another method to know whether a and b is larger than 1 is we can consider a specific position when x equal to 1. Then the height here is b power of 1. The height here is a power of 1. Compare with anything power of 0, it should be 1. So we find that b is larger than 1 and then larger than a. That's why a less than 1 while b larger than 1.